Today I would like to show you a simple way to customize your iPhone where you can place emoji on the top of your iPhone screen. You can see we have rocket emoji. So when I go into the app, when I go back, you can see it kind of pull down here. And it also works with the full screen iPhone. You can see a Santa Claus emoji on the top of the iPhone. Now let me show you how to do it. It is very simple. All you have to do, just go ahead and go into Safari. You need to copy emoji first, the emoji that you like, and then you're gonna go into Google and you're gonna search for emoji page here. You're gonna find this link on the top. Just go ahead and click on it, and then you gonna click on show more, and you're gonna find a ton of emoji. So select the one that you like. For example, I'm gonna select this one, smiley face with heart eyes. And now you're gonna click on copy, and now you need to select the wallpaper that you want to set on your iPhone and place the emoji. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. All you have to do, just click on the edit button, and after you click on edit, you're gonna find a pencil button on the top. Just click on it, and then I'm gonna click on the plus button at the bottom, and you're gonna select on text. And from here you need to make sure you paste, you click on edit and paste the emoji that you have just copied. For me it is smiley face with heart eye, and then you're gonna move it to the top. I'm gonna hold on it, move it to the top of the screen, make sure it stay in the middle, somewhere here, and you can resize it as well. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, and after that just go ahead and click on done, and click on done one more time, and click on the share button. You need to set it as a wallpaper, and then you need to adjust it. Make sure you zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna put it like above the date, and all I have to do, just click on done. And for customize home screen, make sure you turn off blur, and click on done one more time, click on done one more time. Now when I go back to my home screen, you can see we have the emoji kind of push down, like open app. When you close, it pulls down here. When I lock my phone, you also see this emoji as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this customization. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.